Welcome to communication. Rather, welcome to the third part of communication. In this part, I'll discuss importance of communication. Not in a simple way, but in a way which would definitely give you some unique understanding. Okay? As I discussed in the previous lectures, communication is not telling whatever you want to tell. Communication means motivating people to do whatever you want them to do. If you can't motivate people, you can't do communication. See, importance of communication, I'll start from, see what happens. If you can communicate well, there will be no misunderstanding. A lot of troubles, a lot of problems, they come because we can't communicate. We just believe we can, but if we are facing a lot of problems, it means we can't communicate well. If we can communicate, then things can be sorted out. Things can be settled. If they are not being settled, it's our fault. Next is, it facilitates feedback. You are saying something. Suppose I'm talking to somebody and that person is looking around. It means I'm not up to the mark. I'm not giving him whatever he wants from me. So his eye contact, way of looking at me, non-verbal communication, that will tell me where I am wrong. Where I am wrong. So, means communication helps you to get feedback. Next thing is, increases awareness among employees. You got a new system. You got new rules in your company, and you want to tell those rules to your employees. How do you communicate those things with them? Either you write something or you conduct a meeting to discuss that. Communication. Communication increases awareness among employees. Okay, when it comes to clients, when it comes to dealing with clients, when it comes to dealing with the norms, instructions of the company. Next part is stronger decision making. When things are clear to you, only then you can make good decisions. And things, they become clear to you with the help of communication. Next, quicker problem solving. Again, same thing. When you are made a part of a discussion, when things are discussed, when you give your ideas, when others they come with their ideas, when you sit together, then problems are solved fast. Communication helps in that too. Next, it's improve relations, definitely. See, not only at the place where we work, but in society also. If we can communicate well, we'll have good relations with people. So to have good relations means you must learn, you must know how to talk, how to communicate. Next is enhance image. If you can communicate well, people will respect you, people will respect you, people will take you wholeheartedly. They'll take you differently. You can see those people who are highly successful. Means they are good orators, they are good speakers. They can communicate well. Next. Okay? Communication is very important. And some other points which I will be taking further, setting up goals and objectives. When things are not clear to you, when you don't know what is happening around you, you can't set up your goals and objectives. When things are not clear to you, so communication helps in this part to measuring results. You studied a project, you don't know how much work hard you need, you don't know where you are and where you are supposed to go. So with the help of communication, you can conduct a meeting, you can prepare some data, you can prepare some charts, okay, you can get some survey done. All those things, they come under communication. You come to know, you can measure your results. Next is hiring and developing staff. When you want to hire somebody, you talk to your employees, you give an advertisement, you conduct an interview. What are you doing? You are doing communication. So with the help of communication, you hire people. It helps you hiring and developing. Developing means, again, when some new rules, some new things, some new projects, some new products are coming, you communicate and that takes your company up. Next, improve customer relationship. How to deal with customers. If they are angry, listen well. If they are angry, try to show sympathy. If they are angry, try to solace them. Okay, these things communication. These things are communication. If you can communicate well, you will be definitely getting some edge in your dealing with customers. Next, negotiating with suppliers and financials. See, when you want to start a business, I'll say if you want to start a business, you don't need to do anything. You need to improve your communication. Suppose, let's take my example. I want to start a business. I have called many financials, many people, many rich people to understand my plan. See, I present my plan so uniquely that they are ready to invest money in my plan. You know why? Because I can communicate well. I can motivate them. I can talk in such a way. That's why I say communication is very much important when you are dealing with these people. Communication can help you in each and everything. Next thing is increases productivity. Productivity, definitely. Now see, when some people, some employees, some workers are working on something, if you go and talk to them, if you motivate them, if you understand their problems, if you do those things, then automatically your productivity will go up. So communication helps in that thing too. Next, please. Last. See, mutual trust and confidence. If you can talk to somebody sincerely, if you can communicate well, you can understand people and people can understand you, then there will be mutual trust and confidence. Unity. Unity comes when we sit together, when we share something, when we share views, and we try to understand others, when we try to understand others' problems. Okay? So it increases unity too. Next, improve employee relationship. It's very easy. Improve employee relationship. I know it goes in two directions. Employees, if they can communicate well, they'll have better understanding among them. Okay? And if an owner has got good communication, he'll have good relations with the employees. In both are the ways that would help the company to go on. Next, enhancing innovation when things are clear. Innovation means like when you are well understood and you can make people understand whatever you want to say. You will have clarity of your job, and if you have clarity of your job, if you are understood well, then you will be giving way, you will be giving time to, you will be giving importance to innovation. You will be coming with new things. Next, altering individual attitude. Some people sometimes don't want to do work. They want to be paid without any work. If you can communicate well, if you can make them understand that you are here to work, if you don't work, you don't get any, you will not get any promotion. You will not have a good future. So if you can communicate well, you can make those people work who don't want to work. So communication helps even in that aspect too. Thank you very much. It was all about importance of communication. To keep all these things in check, please improve your communication. It's very important. Thank you very much.